Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banking Professionals Make It Possible. I hope you all are doing well with your study and taking good care of your health. So first of all, sorry to everyone that I am uploading it late today because you all know this is Diwali time and there are a lot of work inside your home to clean and all. So I will try to be on time from tomorrow onward. So this is day 10 where we will have to do our practice. So just let's start. In reasoning we will complete syllogism. It will be from prelims to mains. That means we will cover basic of syllogism and reverse and coded and all. Means we will complete the chapter from prelims to mains level, right? In quants we will do mains level questions practice of train and platform, because yesterday we have covered the train and platform basics plus 2 prelims level DI, right? So we will do train and platform practice for mains level. In English we will do reading for 1 hour, then we will do 1 prelims RC plus 20 sentence jumble. 20 sentence jumble is nothing but chota bhai of para jumble. It will help you in para jumble also, but today I have shared all mains level question, that's why I am sharing sentence jumble instead of para jumble. In GA section we will do daily current affairs plus quiz plus August first week revision plus quiz plus next 5 pages of banking and awareness from Ollywood Bolt. You can go with other also if you have choice or if you have access to any other PDFs, right? Whenever I upload this daily to-do list delay, then what you all will do, you all can do reading or you can do daily current affairs plus its revision, right? So if you want to know the sources from where we have to do all these things, so here you can see I have shared for practice. You can go with mock test, then guidely PDF bundle course. You can select these sources for current affairs: Adda, Study IQ, Affairs Cloud, Bolt, Ollywood Bolt, or any magazine of your choice, right? You must write at least 2 sources. At least 2 sources will be helpful for current affairs, because we all know banking syllabus current affairs is becoming very vast. For a static we will follow Ollywood Bolt. If you have any other source you can follow that as well. So if you want to go with Guidely or Affairs Cloud, I have shared the link with discount coupon code. You can check that in the description. And in these days Guidely is providing 50% flat off plus 12% off if you are using the code BP2021 for all their courses, right? So this is their Diwali offer. You can go with that also. For Affairs Cloud they are providing 10% off by using code BP0308, and from 1 November to 11 November they are giving a huge discount. They have reduced their product cost, which is now $299, and it will be from 1st November to 11th November on their carnival festival. It was all about today. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the further updates. See you soon. Have a nice day. All the best. Bye.